So this is our 9th and last episode for our Dog Days of Summer series. This one's a special one. So years ago in Cananea, Mexico, hopefully I pronounced that right.
Probably not.
There was a man named Francisco Soto. He was a taxi driver, and he came into a cantina every day and ordered a hot dog. One day he came in, and they were out of buns. And from that day, the Taco de Soto was born. That's what we're making today. Stay tuned. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. I'll tell you, this recipe is crazy simple, but there must be something to it because this happened decades ago and this taco's still around. So let's give it a try. So to make the Taco del Soto, you need a corn tortilla. Well, not that corn tortilla. You need a corn tortilla that looks like it hasn't been abused. You need a hot dog just like Francisco Soto liked. And you need some cheese. And you need some hot oil, which I have right here in my deep fat fryer. So here's the trick. We're going to use some long tongs because safety first. We're going to hold this tortilla shut so it keeps its shape. Then we're going to lower it into the oil and let it go until we get a crisp tortilla. And hopefully not lose all of our cheese. How long do you need to cook this? You need to heat up the hot dog. You need a crispy tortilla. That's it. So I'm guessing no more than 2 or 3 minutes. Once you've held that tortilla for a while and it keeps its shape, you can let it go, flip it as necessary to make sure it's crispy on all sides. Once you have that tortilla good and crispy, take it out of the oil, let it cool down. Then you can dress it up however you want. You want to rock out with your guac out? Then add some guacamole. We're going to add a little bit of pico de gallo and lettuce. So when you see us next, I'll have our judge out here and we'll find out how is the Taco de Soto. Stay tuned. All right, we will bring in our judge, a taco expert, Evelyn. Are you also a hot dog expert?
No. Actually.
I should have found
What is
somebody who
this?
was a hot dog and a taco.
What is this?
This is a Taco de Soto.
Okay.
Francisco Soto cannot be wrong. An esteemed taxi driver from Mexico.
Okay. Did you make up that story or is it actually true?
Google it. Everything on the internet, my friends, is true. Google it. Francisco Soto. Tacos de Soto. I'll wait for the second bite, but
Yeah.
yeah, because she's just going to get... the original Taco de Soto didn't use a Costco dog, I'm sure. They probably didn't.
I hope not.
But I like Costco dogs. This is the last of our Dog Days of Summer series. This is episode 9. Here we go. Now she's going to get to the shell. Because Francisco did not get a Costco dog. It is definitely crunchy. Or all of Evelyn's teeth just broke. If your mom is watching, start saving money for dentists.
I think it's very good.
How is that different than a normal hot dog?
Well, obviously it's more crunchy because of the shell.
Is it better than a hot dog in a bun? You can be honest.
Personally, honestly, I think the crunch just adds more to it. So I would say yes because with the hot dog, you get like that mushiness anyways. So adding the bun to adding a soft bun to it, it's just like it's too mushy.
Yeah.
Like I personally don't like it. So I think this is a really good thing. And in Seattle, we have Seattle dogs. So adding this stuff onto it definitely like kind of reminds me of home. So I think it's pretty good.
All right, there you go. The end of our Dog Days of Summer 2026 series, the Taco de Soto. Evelyn says, eat it. There you go.
Don't eat if you don't want to.
Her inner judge says, eat it. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Till we see you next time. Fair winds and following seas.